briefly describe like your trading plan. So
Okay.
what's your strategy basically?
Okay. So, well, when I first started trading, it was more technical analysis. And, as you meet more traders, there's thousands of ways to make money in the market. Everyone started talking about I'm trading smart money concepts. I'm trading ICT style. I'm trading like Q banks. I'm trading like all these different people. And I'm like, bro, all you guys complicating the hell out of it. And have you heard of 𝐉𝐸𝐲?
All the other name you just said before that, yes. That one, no,
Hmm.
no.
Okay, I think he was a Canadian, and on his Instagram, he had like a ton of supercars and a
Oh
bunch of
yeah,
different.
Sammy. So we call him Sammy.
Yeah.
He's Nicholas' mentor. If sorry to cut you off again, man. I'll take like 30 seconds and I'll
Wow.
fucking like I'll give you the secret to everybody basically, and I'll let you the mic after. Basically, Nicholas, his father, his father and his brother, his uncle, they have a
Mhm.
restaurant, and this is how like his father is making his living. A little restaurants, he's making decent income, maybe 100K, 200K per year, not sure.
Mhm.
And his little brother, like he's 2, 3 year younger, and Sammy was like
Mhm.
16-year-old coming with like Audi and almost not
Yeah.
supercar but sports car at his school, and he
Right.
bought a Range Rover to his mother, and basically the story got out everywhere, right?
Yeah.
What is he doing? How is he doing that? And obviously Nicholas, he asking them what you're doing. He said Forex. He said, cool, can I pay you for mentoring? He was his first student. Nick was his
Mhm.
first student. He did the mentoring in his father restaurants. Like he would come every week, give him the mentoring in the restaurant, and he paid I think 5 grand for that Canadian. And then after that, Sammy basically started doing like I think he's doing private training as well. I don't think he's doing them anymore, but the most of his
Yeah.
money and his education, it was seminar. He was doing seminar every 3 months. Montreal was basically charging something like 5 grand, getting like 30, 40, 50 people in there, making 150,000 in one weekend, teaching his
That's
stuff,
crazy. Yeah.
and, and going back to buying a $150,000 watch somewhere. So
Mhm.
he was really into supercar and watch, but I think he's still in it.
Mhm.
And yeah, like I supposedly made tens of millions trading. We're not gonna get into that. I don't know if it's true, if it's exaggerated, if it's all real. I don't know. I don't want to get into it. But basically, he started making people sign like agreement that they will not be able to share the strategy, what they learned in those seminar. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but like so
Yeah.
nobody can teach that stuff. So we're literally
Right.
like, hey guys, like we're the only one that know the strategy and we can teach it. But
Mhm.
so that's why we sold a bunch of private training, bunch of people learned from us, but
Mhm.
it stopped. Since 2 years we're not doing any private training anymore because we basically run through everybody in Quebec where we from. And is it the guy you're talking with a strong French accent? Is it that guy?
Yep, that's him. Yep, you're talking with the
Okay.
same person. Yeah.
Okay, well,
Because
okay,
he
man.
caught my attention.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Oh, I was saying he caught my attention because he had I think he is a bad day and he lost like $1 million. And he was like, oh, that's only like 5% of my account. I said, 1 million is 5% of your account. So Instagram works when you follow someone, ton of fake accounts and ton of other people start following you or whatever. And then someone followed me and asked me, so are you Sammy's student? And I said, no. And I remember Daquan, my boy, he's the only person in Bahamas I could say makes more money than me trading. He was the first one to get funded. He told me about it. I didn't believe about none of the FTMOs or whatever. When I saw he was living, I was like, oh shit, all right, this nigga really living from trading. So anyway, I followed Sammy after I saw his post because you know how the phones work. When someone mentions something, Instagram just shows you that they're always listening to what we're saying or whatever. So popped up. This was in 2020, yeah, 2020, and he asked me if I have his course. Someone texted me and asked me, and I said no. They said, oh, they said they are gonna buy. They just need someone else to purchase it with them for some more money. I think it was like 2,700 US or something like that. This is before he launched that Apex Paragon program he has going on. I'm not sure if it's still up, like you said, but
Yeah,
anyway,
fuck them. Fuck that brand. they tried to basically steal and fuck me over. They tried to bring Nick because of the social media that I built, right, for years.
Wow.
And they tried to
Yeah.
steal Nick and basically start the fun without me. And I said, no, like, you're doing that. You're, first of all, I'm fucking up your old reputation. Second, like, we're suing you. But anyways, my bad.
Yeah.
I'm not a guy that likes to hate and all that, but these guys,
Right.
like that brand, like fuck them. But anyway, it might be
Wow, that's
not
crazy.
be that brand. It might not be that brand, but it might be two of his students that started a brand with a very similar name, and that's what happened. So
Right.
maybe I'm mistaken, but anyway, my bad. I'm
Possibly.
getting
I don't know.
emotional.
You're good, bro. You're good. You're good. You're good, bro. I mean, I don't know if there's different brands. I just know before he deactivated his account, I saw him posting say he's launching his website soon. You know, I got into websites. I noticed he's building on Squarespace. I was like, all right, cool. I know once he does this, I'll still be able to have access, even if we remove access, because how Squarespace system is. So anyway, send the money to the guy. We got access to his course or whatever. And when I saw how fundamentals was broken down, I was like, oh, damn, I need to include fundamentals into my trading, because now I could swing trade and day trade better, not just catch 50 pips or 100 pips. I catch 1,000 pips and, you know, trade US 30 and stuff better. And I saw, you know, Q-Banks was posting up, he was making a lot of money from US 30. And when I started putting in indices, all these other traders started popping up. Some African traders they're making $1 million. I don't know if they're making it out that much, but if they are, you know, that anyway, that's what caught my attention. So went hard and started studying fundamentals. So my whole strategy really is fundamentals, market sentiment, technical analysis, and price action. Then I would just change it up. You know, if there's not much fundamentals going on, I would just, you know, decrease on looking at my fundamentals, and I'll just go straight to market sentiment, technical analysis, and price action.